How's it going, guys? Josh from Lavish Investments here, where we give you pure technical analysis on all stocks and crypto. Today, we're going to be going over Spotify again. I made a few videos in the past days. I did one for Spotify a few days ago. If you didn't see that, go ahead and check it out over here. That was kind of like way before this huge drop came through. And I'm just going to do a quick update on where we stand on Spotify. Not really telling you guys really the biased opinions of where the price will go, but really where we see this candle, right? The next candle really determines, do we see a more downside? Do we see more downside, or do we see some kind of reversal coming up soon? Right, we see the RSI on the 4-hour time frame. It is very oversold still. Almost like a couple weeks, it's been oversold. It's been selling off like crazy. See right here, we see a downtrend still happening, right, on the 4 hours. And if we can see this on a smaller time frame, we can go to the 1 hour. Um, so the 1 hour, you see it's kind of finding some kind of support there around the 210 level, right? Right when it hit almost 209 yesterday, which is pretty crazy. It did recover small a little bit, but still I would be very wary on the resistance levels that it has, right? So the first resistance level we have is the 215 level, right? And that when it broke that 215 level, it just continued to drop and sell off. The market is also super, super weak right now. I see a lot of different stocks, right? A lot of stocks are like red today. Market's very weak. That's only because a lot of things are going to like all-time highs. So it's probably pushing it down. Also, crypto, it's down maybe like 2%, right? We had that strong rally coming up. But yeah, let's get back to Spotify here. Really, let's go back to the longer time frame because I think that's more important to look at than, the 5 minutes right now. Right, so see a huge shoulder, head and shoulder pattern still happening, right? And this was the confirmation for that huge drop about a couple weeks ago, right? So we're going to look at a closer view of the chartings at the 4 hours. So right now it's still in this bearish channel. We don't really see any type of recovery in the coming days. So really, I would really watch this 215 level. If we see relative strength to actually push above 215, I think we can see some more volume and buyers buying this back up into this range, right? So until we can see some volume coming in and the RSI kind of picking up back to the 70 over 70, I really see some kind of reversal happening. But let's say it hits this, right? It has a small recovery, hits this trend line, continues to go down. I would not be surprised that we see even lower for a couple more days to a couple more weeks. Because I think August is like one of the worst months, right? Like I've always played things on the August, and August times are like, super crappy because you have earnings, a lot of earnings coming up June, July, right? And people are playing that, pre-earnings run up. And, at this time, a lot of people want to take that profit. Even with Spotify, even with Spotify, you see this huge rally up, right? Coming up almost from that 216 level all the way back up to, you know, 280. And then, you see August coming through, and then people want to start taking the profits from, wherever they entered here. So it makes sense that there's this head and shoulder pattern right where earnings is coming from, right? So I hope that really showed you guys what levels to watch. You can also pause the video and just kind of, write these levels down for your future reference. And I hope you guys have a great trading week, and please be safe out there, guys. Delta variant is really scary. I don't know what's happening. But yeah, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you are up to date with all of my videos when I post it out. All right, thank you guys so much.